Hi, in this video I will tell you why did I opted BVSC over another drop. Okay, actually MBBS is a very good field, very amazing, so professional, so decent, so noble, such a noble profession. I knew it, but so do veterinary, so do psychology, so do everything. Every other field has its own importance, and it has its own aura, it has its own energy in this economy. They will serve no matter what do you do, no matter in which sector you serve in. You do generate something, you do some help to the society, you do some help to the economy, to develop the economy. The only question I ask myself is, do you want to actually do MBBS? I thought, no, nahi karna hai mujhe. I'm okay if it's not my ambition to become a doctor through MBBS, and I can become a doctor. There will be a doctor tagline in front of your name, even if you do veterinary science, even if you do BDS, even if you do B, doctor of pharmacy like DPharm, and even in psychology, even in you know any other, like all these doctored fields. It's is science, right? It does comes under medical field, and it's if you want a doctor title in front of you, you can opt different fields. Like they do use stethoscope, and they do have white coat to wear, white apron to wear, and you need not to opt and strive and struggle for MBBS if you don't want to. Most of the students who have opted PCB after their 10th grade, most of them want to do MBBS, because MBBS is hyped so much, and it is really hyped so much, and it does worth hyping so much because MBBS students work hard, and so they will work so hard to crack or pass the MBBS exams, those semesters, and again prepare for NEET PG and crack the NEET PG and do their post graduation and do further more specializations. And the working hours are literally insane. They deserve a lot more like salary than they do get. They work so hard, like immense working hours, such a stressful life. Sometimes you won't even get time for yourself. And I thought, I can't be in such a stressful situation, or I can't bear so much stress, okay? So I thought, let's change the path. And I don't want, it's not about need, it's never about need, it's about MBBS. Why to karna chahte ho na? Then you want to do it that right. Actually, do you really want to do it? Maybe not. Once ask yourself, like, do you really want it? Most of the people are stuck in this loop of taking multiple drops, even they don't want to do MBBS, क्योंकि they think opting other fields are bit less. No, they are not. Actually, not. The subjects in other fields might be bit different, less voluminous, or maybe sometimes you will learn more of what you require to be or to specialize in that particular field. And we need doctors, human doctors, we need animal doctors, we need dentists, we need psychologists in this world, right? Actually, it is not that bad as you think. When you opt other fields, you may think what other people will tell. They will see me as someone who is less, they won't give importance to me. Don't think that way. Actually, it is completely false. You are overthinking about it. You are suffering so much in your mind. You are suffering in your imagination more than in reality. In reality, you can bear it. You can bear that pain, and the concept of bearing that pain, you are imagining this will happen if I do this, and you are imagining more than what it is, okay, what you will face in reality. And you are scared to take the next step, and you are constantly worrying, you are constantly anxious, you are becoming depressed. There are every year there are multiple cases where people take multiple drugs, and they will commit suicide. You should never die with depression. You should never die with depression. It you can maybe you can be depressed for one year. You should not be depressed for your entire life. If it is not meant for you, you need not to opt it. You need not to force yourself to fit in that particular field. You can go for it and do better in other fields. You can be in the top 10% or the top 1%. No matter any field, in any field, if you are among the top 10 or 1%, you will earn a lot. There is a good potential in every field if you are in top 10 or top 1%. Sometimes you may think, how can I be in the top 10 and 1%? I can't compete among so many people. You need not to be there. Like, you can create, if you want to generate good source of income for you, you can generate multiple sources of income at once. You can have you need not to have one job and earn a lot from it, but you can have multiple sources of income. You can start your own business, you can automate it, and you need not to pour all of your energy and time into it. You can just automate it, and it will keep bringing you some money that you need. In this economy, in this digital era, you can earn a lot. You can create multiple sources of passive income from anywhere. Like, there are so many sources. If you keep working for 1 or 2 years constantly by upgrading yourself, by learning the required skills, you can generate good source of income. If you start today, it might take 1 year, it might take 2, maybe it might take 5 years, but you can generate good source of income. Just don't give up, keep trying. And you can earn through YouTube, you can earn through Instagram, you can earn through Pinterest, you can earn through blog writing, you can earn. And there are so many successful stories. There are so many people whom you can take inspiration from, and those people are actually doing it. It is not something nobody did it, and it is you are the one who is doing it for the first time. No, right? Many people did that. Many people created multiple sources of income. And I'm saying this because you need not to opt a degree because it pays well, very well than other fields. Do you know how much hard it is to be like a top doctor? You need to study so hard to become a good doctor. You can pass MBBS exams. It's not only about just passing, right? You need to do a lot more. You need to acquire those skills. You need to work on it. In any field, no matter in any field, if you having just a degree for the namesake, it will never benefit you. It will never secure your future. You should put the efforts in. You should truly try. You should learn all the skills. You need to put the time and efforts into it. You need to pour your energy into it, isn't it? Currently, I have opted veterinary science. I got a seat through the state exam. It's EAP-CET, and previously it is known as MSET. And I have secured a good rank, and I got a government college. I will soon make a wall about it, maybe college tour or something like that. And my MSET rank in 2024 was around 4K. And today, this 2025, my MSET rank is around 1000, like 1321. Then my NEET rank last year is around around 1,80,000. It's a bit high in NEET 2024, and this year in NEET 2025 my NEET rank is around 1,30,000. You can see the difference, right? I have improved in MSET and in NEET too, because I have taken a drop not to just for singing sake. I did studied, I did practice the questions, I did test analysis, I did everything I can. But I'm not saying I did everything, I work so hard or I put it all of my efforts into it. No, I didn't, but I just did what I can do at that time. I didn't push myself to extremes in this at this time, but I did work. And your work, your hard work will pay someday. Either it is now or some other day. If you know how to work hard, it's not only about the hard work. You need to do some smart work. You need to know some study tips. You need to know how to study well in a short time. Okay. So all I want to tell you is, don't do it if you don't want to. There are many other amazing things to do other than this taking drop. Okay, you can explore. There are so many amazing courses you can explore into it, and you can achieve a lot. It is all not only your entire life, right? If you love creativity, go for it. If you love singing, go for it. If you love writing, go for it. Don't push yourself just because someone has told it is better, or just because other people will respect you if you do it, just because others are doing it, or don't do it for the sake of others. If you are doing it to impress others, you need to pause, reflect, think again, and take a good decision. Okay, and you need not to worry about money. By opting other fields, you can be in the top 1%, or you can create multiple sources of income. And other fields are good too. Nobody will say nothing like this ida అని ఎవరేమనరు. కాకపోతే నీకు నచ్చింది ఆప్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ నేనేం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా అంటే, నేను నా 12th గ్రేడ్లో నేను నా ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ నీట్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐ థాట్ ఇంకేమైనా ఆప్ట్ చేస్తే ఎవరైనా ఏమైనా అనుకుంటారా, అక్కడికి వెళ్తే పోనీ నేను 11th 12th చదివిన కాలేజ్లోనే మళ్ళీ డ్రాప్ తీస్తే నా జూనియర్స్ ఏమనుకుంటారు, మా టీచర్స్ ఏమంటారు, అలా అనుకునేదాన్ని. అండ్ ఐ నో ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్, అండ్ మై మైండ్ సెట్ చేంజ్డ్ కంప్లీట్లీ. నౌ ఐ కెన్ సర్వైవ్ ఎనీవేర్. ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఐ బికేమ్ సో emotionally mature, I became so strong in this course of 1 year. I learned a lot. I learned what I want and what I don't want. And అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు వెటనరీ ఆప్ట్ చేశాను. చాలామంది some people are so proud. Actually I did it. I take this decision, and a lot of people supported me to take this decision and to not be in a loop of something, not to work or for something I don't actually want or need it. Okay, I hope this video helped you. I don't know, I just said what I want to say. I will try to post consistently even I'm staying in hostel. So I hope I can shoot videos. I stay tuned for more vlogs from college and more information about veterinary science. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.